Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Christine Ramos, and I'm taking you inside KSC. The 4 astronauts who flew on NASA's SpaceX Crew 1 mission have returned to Earth, officially ending the first crew rotational mission to the International Space Station under NASA's Commercial Crew program. The Crew Dragon spacecraft, carrying NASA astronauts Michael Hopkins, Victor Glover, Shannon Walker, and Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Soichi Noguchi, safely splashed down in the Gulf of Mexico off the coast of Panama City, Florida at 2:56 a.m. on Sunday, May 2nd. The crew launched from Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39A on November 15, 2020. The mission marked the first nighttime return of a U.S. crewed spacecraft since Apollo 8 in 1968. On Friday, April 30th, Kennedy Space Center and Visitor Complex officials honored the memory of Apollo 11 astronaut Michael Collins during a wreath-laying ceremony. Held just outside of the Heroes and Legends exhibit at the Visitor Complex, Kennedy director Bob Cabana provided remarks during the ceremony. Collins served as the command module pilot for the historic Apollo 11 mission in 1969. He remained in lunar orbit while Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first people to walk on the moon. Collins passed away on April 28th at the age of 90. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.